Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to be speaking about 7 steps to getting your next client. So before I begin with the 7 steps, there are 5 steps that I think are very important to be aware of. So your intention overall should be to build traffic, to get leads, to get subscriptions, to get notification counts, to create pipeline, nurture those pipelines, create appointments, generate clients out of those pipelines, create campaigns to create the cycle of these right here, and eventually you're going to have a cycle of inbound and outbound marketing coming in and out, creating traffic, right? So it's a process, it's a cycle that helps each other. So 7 strategies, right? 7 steps to get your next client. So if you are already working on a particular business type, that will be your niche, right? Otherwise, you would have to pick a niche. You want to create a service, a product, offer, so you can sell something, right? If you don't have something to sell, how are you going to make a profit? You need to be selling something actively. So that means that you need to have a sales page to help you sell things. You want to test an outreach process, a strategy to your potential clients. So whenever you have the product or service that you want to promote to potential clients, you have to kind of test it out. So you could build, as an example, a campaign to test it out to see how people react to it, or if you need to set up specific pages on your website to test anything you want to test. Really, you have to test it out. So you test the outreach and you put yourself in front of the right audience to market to them, essentially. So you have to make sure that you're marketing to the right audience. So you want to create an engagement step. So engagement steps are usually associated with the fact that you're creating content to educate, to get people familiar with your brand overall. You want to create a conversion step where it allows you to have processes happen and you collect information at the same time. Like, for example, emails, or you have data being collected via analytics, like for example on Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel as an example. So those would be some specific ideas of metrics that you could use. I actually created a tutorial called how to create a measurement plan. You should watch that video. Decide on a qualifying process. So the qualifying process, you have to provide pre-qualifying questions to help you determine whether, if the suspect, whenever somebody is checking you out, they're a suspect, and then they eventually become a prospect. So it's a process, it's a cycle. So you have to understand the qualifying process for that customer, and you want to create a pitch deck. So you have to kind of outline all the benefits that the potential customer could acquire by working with you, and you have to outline all the benefits, so all the pros of working with you. So that's a pitch deck. So that's really what it is. It's a really short video, so it's just 7 steps. So let me run it again. So traffic, leads, subscriptions, notifications, pipelines, nurture those pipelines, appointments, clients, create campaigns. You're gonna create a cycle of inbound and outbound marketing, pick a niche, create the service that you want to offer, test the outreach process, create an engagement step, create a conversion step, decide on a qualifying process, create a pitch deck. Okay, so that's really what it is. All right, I'm Jeffrey. Take care.